Welcome to Meet the Number Blocks. Tap the play button to start.
Hello.
Tap on the number block to get started. Now tap on the number blob to see what happens. 1.
One bird. Hello, bird. 1 tree. Hello, tree. One wonderful world and one me. Hello.
1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Everything is better with 2. The 2 of us together, just me and you. Imagine all the crazy things we can do with 2. With 2.
Hello.
1, 2, 3.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Everybody look at me. I'm here to entertain you with this funky melody. I'll juggle 3 balls in the air and everyone will cheer. Yay! Everything's gonna be alright now. Number 3 is here.
Hello.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm 4. Have you met me before? I'm
1 more than 3. That's plain to see. 3 plus 1
equals me. I'm 4.
Hello.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This little block is full of tricks. It's got 6 faces, 1 to 6. It's called a die, it's called a dice. Dice or die, both names are nice. What's it for? Let me explain. Want to know more? Let's play a game. Hello.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
I'm lucky number 7, I'm in a happy place. The sun is always shining and there's always a smile upon my face. I see a penny and I pick it up, and all day long I have good luck. I'm lucky number 7, and everything is falling into place.
Top block.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8.
I'm 8, but you can call me Octoblock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
He can stand really tall. He can climb up the wall. He is Octoblock. Octoblock.
Octoblock, climb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, climb.
Hello?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9.
1, 2, 3, 3 blocks in my first row. 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks in my second. 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks in my third row. 3 rows of 3, 3 rows combine. As you can see, 3 rows of 3 make 9.
Yay!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
If you're wondering why there's a 1 on top, you'll know the answer when you realize I'm 1 big block, I'm 1 big perfect 10. I'm a 10 block, I'm a 10 block.